Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a big butterfly pattern. We are using 3-ply wool, 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Let's get started the pattern. From here into this circle we going to start work. Make a magic circle. 12 double crochet into the circle, 3 chain. We count first double crochet, 11 double crochet more into the circle. Total of 12 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 11 12. Total of 12 double crochet. Do slip stitch into third chain. Round to chain 4, 1 2 3. 3 chain we count. Double crochet, chain 1, chain. Total 4 chain. Double crochet into next stitch. Repeat chain 1, double crochet next stitch, chain 1, double crochet next stitch, chain 1, double crochet into next stitch, chain 1, one, two, three, four, five, 3 more time. Chain 1, double crochet next stitch, chain 1, double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, chain 1, double crochet into next stitch, chain 4, round 3, 1 2 3. These 3 chain we count. First double crochet, chain 1 into the circle, make 2 double crochet, 1 2, chain 1, repeat in each space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1. This is my last space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into top of the third chain, round 4, 1 2 3. 3 chain we count. First double crochet, make a first shell, 3 chain, double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into same space, chain 1, chain 1, 4 double crochet next space, chain 1, shell into next space, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, do and repeat, chain 1, 4 double crochet next space, Do and continue. Chain 1, shell into next space, then chain 1, 4 double crochet next space. Do and repeat the same work as we done here. Shell, chain 1, 4 double crochet, chain 1, shell, chain 1, 4 double crochet. Do and continue the same work across to end. Last shell into last space, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Round 5, 3 chain into next space, make a shell. These 3 chain we count. First double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into same space, chain 1, repeat 2 double crochet in each 4 stitches, two double crochet into next stitch, two double crochet into next stitch. Total of 8 double crochet, chain 1 into next shell, make a shell, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. Do and repeat the same work across to end. Chain 1 into 4 double crochet, make 8 double crochet, 2 double crochet in each stitch, chain 1, shell into next middle of shell. Do and repeat the same work across to end, shell into the last middle of the shell. Round 6, make a shell, 3 chain into space, double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet into 8 stitches. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, make a shell into next shell, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Do and continue the same work across to end. Chain 1, 1 double crochet into 8 stitches, chain 1, shell into middle of the shell. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. We make total of 6 round 7. Make a shell into the first shell, 3 chain, double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, chain 2, single crochet into next 7 spaces here into 2 double crochet stitch, single crochet into next space, 1 single crochet into next space, repeat 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Chain 2 shell, make shell into middle of next shell, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 2 chain. Do and continue the same work across to end. 7 single crochet into double crochet spaces, chain 2, shell into middle of shell, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Do and continue the same work across to end. Make a shell into last of the shell. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total of 7 rounds. Round 8, make a shell, 3 chain, double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, three chain, 1 2 3, single crochet into next middle of 7 single crochet spaces, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 single crochet, 3 chain into next middle of shell, make 2 shells together, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. From here, do and continue the same work across to end. 3 chain, 6 single crochet, 3 chain, 2 shells together into next middle of shell space. Do and continue the same work across to end. Make a shell into last middle of shell. Okay, here we done 8 rounds, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now in round 9 we going to divide the wings. Here we going to make first wings, 1 2 3 4. In my next round, in round 9, we going to divide the wings, 4 wings. First we making first wing as we done here, then make the second wing, then third, then fourth wing. Okay, round 9. From round 9 we going to divide the wings. Here we making the first wing, make a shell, 3 chain, double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, three chain, 5 single crochet into 6 single crochet stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 single crochet, 1 2 3, 3 chain. Here into 2 shells, into first shell make a shell, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet into next middle of shell, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. Okay, From here we going to make the first wing, then we going to make the second wing. Here we divide, leave the 3 wings. Here turn work, make a shell, 3 chain, here into middle of space, double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, make a first shell, 3 chain, 4 single crochet into 5 single crochet stitches, three chain, make a shell into middle of shell, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. This is the shape of the wing. Make a shell, 3 chain, 1 2 3, round 10, make a shell, double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, three chain, 3 single crochet, three chain, make a shell into middle of shell, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. Turn work, make a shell, round 11, 3 chain, double crochet into same space, chain, 2 double crochet, three chain, 2 single crochet, three chain, make a shell, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. Round 12, 1 2 3, 3 chain, make a shell into same space. This 3 chain we count first double crochet, make double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, three chain, three chain, 1 2 3, 3 chain, 1 single crochet, three chain, make a shell, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. Now make 2 shells, shell, then shell into next space, 3 chain, make a shell, double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, first shell, make next shell into middle of next shell, 2 double crochet, chain 2 double crochet. Okay, here we finish the first wing. Now we going to make the second wing. Do and follow the same work as we done here. Finish off. Finish off here. In my next shell, we going to make first shell. Okay, here we going to make the second wing. Is we done. Do and follow the same work as we done into first wing. Here into this space, join yarn, 3 chain, 2 double crochet, 3 chain we count first double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, as we done here, make 3 chain, into into 6 single crochet, make 5 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 3 chain, make a shell here into this first shell, 2 double crochet, chain 2 double crochet. Turn work, 1 2 3 3 chain, shell, chain 2 double crochet, 3 chain, single crochet 4, three chain, make a shell here, 2 double crochet, chain 2 double crochet. Okay, do and continue the same work as we done here into first wing. Do and follow the same work for the second wing. Shell, 3 chain, 2 single crochet, 3 chain, shell. Continue the same work as we done here. Okay, do and follow the same work for next 3 wings as we done here into first wing. Do and follow the same work to complete the second wing, then the third, and then the fourth. Okay, after finishing 4 of the wings, at the top of the head we going to make a filler of the butterfly. Okay, at the top of the head we going to make a fillers of butterfly. Here 1 2 3 4 stitches. Into next double crochet, join yarn, single crochet into next stitch, make a chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 chain, seven chain into second chain, single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 single crochet, make a single crochet into next double crochet stitch, do the same work, chain 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 chain, single crochet second chain 1 single crochet in each chain, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 single crochet, slip stitch into next double crochet stitch. Finish off. Okay friends, here we finish a big butterfly pattern. I hope you enjoy this beautiful and easy pattern. You can add this pattern in other things as you want to make. Thank you for watching.